I'm going to show you how to do a dozen roses today. First of all, you're going to need a vase like this. This is what I'm going to show you how to do right there. So you need a vase, and I've already put some floral food in it and some water. You need some cutters, craft shears or garden shears, scissors for cutting your ribbon if you want a bow, and if you have them, stripper. These are thorn strippers, but not totally necessary because you can nip the thorns off with some cutters. So first of all, you start out with your vase and leather leaf. Now I usually put in, you're supposed to put in as less as possible, around 5, but use what you need. Sometimes these are too small to just put in 5. So I make like a star out of the leaves, because you want this to hold your flowers in place. So I'm going to go with that. That was probably like 8 of them. Then I take my fattest rose. Some stems are going to be skinny and some are going to be fat. Take your fattest rose. I just barely nip off a little bit on the bottom and put this right down in the middle. The next one I'm going to cut off about that much. It's about a little over an inch. We're going to build around the rose. Turn it. You're going to do 5 around your middle one here. Now if you've got thorns in the way on the bottom that are going to go underwater, cut those off. Use your thickest stems. Cut off. So turning the vase as I go and try and get it in there. Last one, I'm cutting again. These are all the same height, and if there's a thorn, nip them off. Okay, now I've got 5 roses here and one right down the middle. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to strip off a little bit more on the roses. I'm going to cut this one about that much down. There's probably 16, 18 inches. I'm cutting off about 6 inches off the bottom. And I'm going to poke these in between those 2 like that. Each time you put another one in, turn it. If you've got broken leaves, strip them off. You don't need them in there. Cut off. Turn it. These stems will help all the other ones hold in place. Still, once again, cutting about 6 inches. Getting it in there nice and full. 6 inches. Turning it again. Nice and full. And the last one. Down here in front. So now you've got a nice rounded dozen vase there. And then you add baby's breath. Take your baby's breath, shake it apart upside down. And you cut off. These things always have long stems. See how layered they are? Cut right there. The next layer, I'm going to cut at that joint right there. So it gives you 3 different pieces. I could actually cut off this other one too because that's really long. Leave one of them long so you put it right in the middle to make sure it holds or it reaches all the way down to the water. But before I do that, I like to use leaf shine. I spray as I turn. This just makes the leaves look really pretty, shiny. Then I start poking my baby's breath in there. Start to in the middle. Work your way around. Go for the next stem. Shake them out. Don't pull them because it'll pull all the heads off. kind of filling in any place that there's not any baby's breath where it's empty spaces, gaps. Those are really too tiny. Sometimes the stems will be very, very flimsy. Save them for something else, because they're just going to fall over. Okay, that's pretty good, well-rounded. Now I like to use these things called aspidistry leaves. That's what this is right here. They are long, they're kind of like a tie leaf, and I bend them over backwards. You don't have to have this, it's just kind of a fun accent. And I take floral tape, and I tape them bent over like this. So it holds it down. And I spray it so it's nice and shiny. You might cut off the end there. And I poke it in. There's an empty space here at the top. Poke it in like that. And I do my next one. I usually do 2 of these. Work in 2s. And people seem to really like that. You can do that in your centerpieces for holiday arrangements too. I kind of layer them together, and I've done them for wedding centerpieces. People really like them. And all my arrangements started really selling much better once I started doing this. So people appreciate little accents like this. And they're easy to do. Not So now I'm going to put this one in right here, so I'm kind of nestle them down. And now I just need a bow. So I use, this is size 9 red acetate ribbon. You can get any kind of ribbon, but make a loop in the middle. This is how I do bows. I twist, but this is kind of a hard thing for a lot of people to grasp, so just do a figure 8 if you have to. I do 2 small ones so it looks like this. Twist it so the shiny side is always up. The next one's going to be your middle loop, so I make it a little bit longer. Same thing with the other one, and now I'm twisting to keep the shiny side up. See, like that. Make another loop, another loop. And now I cut the back of it like this. So you have a bow like that. Now I add another piece on to the back side as a tail. See how that is? Okay, and then I take a wire, put it right down the middle, and twist it a few times. And then I separate my loops. Stick it in right there. And now you've got a beautiful dozen roses. So give it a try, guys. If your floral department at the store where you shop at doesn't have Lovely for Baby's Breath out, just ask them for it. I'm sure they have it in the back room somewhere. And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.